Hello, my friend. This is Hani Amiri. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur. I'm working from home as affiliate, selling other people products. And I've started working online since 2015. I did a lot of mistakes. I struggled a lot. I quit two times. Then I made it successful business since mid of 2017. Today I'm going to speak about two important issues. You can take it right now, which will be really good and help you if you later decided to proceed and taking action to set up online business. The first one is start building online assist. What do I mean by online assist? Like when you own a home, it's real estate. There is online real estate, let's say. I mean, your website, let's say, use your home on the internet. This is your hub. Also, there is another important asset, which is this is the channel you are watching now. Of course, you have a channel, so start and try, think about it seriously. Start to to choose the thing that you already interest and like it, and have some skills around this area. So start to upload, to record videos even by your mobile phone is okay, and then upload that, and you can watch. There is thousands of videos, people explaining how to set up a YouTube channel and how to grow it, or how to do the search engine optimization. Or there is a lot of details. I'm not like here to dig deeper about it, but I'm encouraging you. It's so important because by the end, by the time you will find this assist, online assist, is making you money. There is now millions of people making also millions, let's say yearly, or maybe some of them even monthly, uh, because they have a lot of subscribers, and their videos attract millions of viewers that YouTube pay for them. So if you have even basic skills in setting up this channel, or recording videos, sharing some information, even if I'm not saying that you have to create everything. You can model something. I mean, when you watch like one, two, three, four, even 100 videos in this niche, in this area of interest, your interest, of course, you can now form a general idea of how it works. Then you can go to model some of these details, some of this video description, the text, stuff like this, and start to record videos here or somewhere. This is also your website. If you, I spoke before that you even one page to put your story, and then from there you can later expand, because already your knowledge will be expanded, and then you will feel comfortable working, adding, changing day by day, and even month by month. This is too important. There is, of course, there is a lot, but for these two things, it's proven. It's already making money for people. Let's say maybe you ask me how to make money on my website. You can, because when you apply for Google AdSense or many other kinds of ads, They will display ads on your website, and if someone click and go to buy from there, you will get paid. There is a lot of details about it. So let's go to start building, invest, even like allocate some time from our daily time surfing internet, watching any other social media, give for ourselves a short time, an hour a day, 3 4 hours per week, to start building our online business. Will be good for us. The second thing I'm gonna speak now is how to be resourceful. When if you wanna more information, you wanna expand your knowledge for any area of interest, you can do research. Of course, all of us knows that Google search and YouTube here is the biggest search engines, and there is a lot more. So if you want more information about everything, you can do your search. Then you will find hundred, maybe thousands of resources, and click here. You will find the information that you want. But sometimes if you couldn't find that, you can go to Quora.com. I will put the link down below. And there is a Reddit. This is a huge platform, especially for Quora. People interact there, asking questions, getting answers. There is a lot of so powerful tools there, and even the people on these two platforms are really active. And there is you will find a very quick response from not 1 2 3 4, any area of your interest. Ask a question, you will get the answer. Maybe some people will ask a question and you know about it, and you go to like to give your answer there, because this will make you build your authority and make you online. Then there is a lot, but this is so popular right now. You can check for that, and then even all each day, if you go to find any piece of information, expanding your knowledge in this area, for let's say working online, from home, or taking a smart move to a life to a digital lifestyle or a laptop lifestyle. Search some information about that. You will find hundreds. In addition to others, when an ad, a YouTube ad, pop in front of your eyes when you are watching these videos or others, you can check it, go to see what they are saying. They are offering other free services, and this will help you a lot to understand how it works. By the time you feel yourself ready, that you already have some basics, and you will go from there to expand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, please drop me a like, comment below, and even watch my previous videos I'm putting here. And thank you for watching again. See you. Bye.